This is my top shelf. It's always almost impossible to find anything. So if your fridge is like mine and you want to get a little bit more organized, stay tuned to this video and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. To make a lazy Susan, you are going to need a round wooden board, a piece of paper, a metal swivel plate, a pencil, a ruler, and some screws. Make sure your screws are the right size. So all I'm going to do is draw a circle on the piece of paper. You just cut that circle out. I know there's probably about 100 different ways to do this, but for me this just worked the best. Keep that in half, fold it in half again. When you open it up, that should be your center point. Then you just need to mark it quite hard so that you make a mark on your board. What we then have to do is place the swivel plate in the center. What I'm going to do just to double check is measure the sides to see that it's equal. Mark the spots with a pencil. So I just went and got myself a little nail and I'm just going to make a small hole in there to make it easier to put the screw in. Okay, now we have our pile of holes. Going to put the swivel back on and we can then put the screws in. There you have it. Here's your swivel on. And there we have it. Way better. So now there's no digging in the back of the fridge for sauces. Everything is here right in front of you. Another cool idea for this is also for your medicine or your vitamins. So these lazy Susans can be used for a number of different things.